Hey guys, welcome back to this week's 2-minute tips. So you know when you get a new purse and it looks amazing at first, and then after a couple months you start to notice how when it's not in use, it's sitting on your shelf looking kind of sad. The leather has collapsed inwards and it just hadn't retained its structure. Well, there's a really simple way to alleviate that. All you need to do is just go around the house and pick out old clothing, old towels, anything that's not in use anymore. And what I like to do is I'll pick out about 4 to 5 items, I'll roll them into a ball like this, and then I will either stuff them directly into the purse, or even better, if you have kept your purse's original dust bag, I will take all those items that I've gathered, I will stuff them into the dust bag, draw it shut like this, and then I will stuff that bag right into my purse. And then what that does is it gives your purse added support. So see, it's helping maintain that beautiful structure. And this purse is literally, I would say, about 5 years old, and it still looks brand new. This is in my dressing room, and I just wanted to give you an example. So every single purse that I have shelved is able to retain a good shape because I do have it stuffed with t-shirts or, old towels. And even for this one, I got a package delivered and there was a ton of like that packing material. So I just used it to stuff inside of this Kate spade to help retain its shape. So you can get super creative. Just anything you can possibly find to pop into your bags to help them stay structured will work. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.